H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Best practices for Selenium testing. Welcome back to our channel H2K Infosys. Today we'll discuss best practices for Selenium testing to ensure your scripts are efficient and maintainable. Let's get started. Use page object model. First, use the page object model POM to separate test scripts from page-specific code. This improves maintainability and readability. Example of POM. Here's a simple example. Page_objects.py. Class login page. def__init__self driver. self.driver driver. self.username driver.find_element_by_name username. self.password driver.find_element_by_name password. self.login_button driver.find_element_by_name login. def login self user pwd. self.username.send_keys user. self.password.send_keys pwd. self.login_button.click. test_login.py. From Selenium import WebDriver. From page_objects import login page. Driver WebDriver.chrome. Driver.get http://example.com/login. Login_page login page driver. Login_page.login your _username, your _password. Driver.quit. Use explicit waits. Next, use explicit waits to handle dynamic content. From Selenium import WebDriver. From selenium.webdriver.common.by import by. From selenium.webdriver.support.ui import WebDriver wait. From selenium.webdriver.support import expected_conditions as EC. Driver WebDriver.chrome. Driver.get http://example.com. Wait for an element to be clickable. Wait WebDriver 10. Element wait until ec.element_to_be_clickable by .id some _id. Driver.quit. Conclusion. Following these best practices will help you create reliable and maintainable Selenium tests. In our next topic, we'll cover continuous integration with Selenium. Subscribe and stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more quality content.